Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on just me kind of giving advice about curly hair, about natural hair, based on my experience. So if you're the person that really wants to start going through the transition of getting your natural hair, please keep watching. I've never done a video like this, so I'm just going to go through it. So if you want to start, you know, going natural and you want to end up with your natural hair, this is what you do first. This is what I always tell the girls that ask me. This is the first thing you do, is cut off all heat going to your hair. This is just me talking about my personal experience, what I did. I cut off all heat, and if you just can't immediately stop blow drying, flat ironing, whatever it is, your hair, curling it, curling iron thing, try to do it less than you are now. All of that heat is just, if you want to go through this process, you're gonna have to start somewhere, and you may change your products and all that, but if you keep putting all that heat in your hair, your results aren't gonna be, or isn't gonna be as fast as you would like it to be. So just start off by at least reducing that amount of heat that you're putting on your hair, or just stop altogether putting heat. Now some of you may say, okay, I want to stop altogether, but how do I do that? There's many ways, things you can do. You can do protective styles, maybe braids, things that you can keep for a long time, that then helps you, that you're not blow drying constantly, whatever it may be, because you have it on braids. So you're looking good, right? But you're also giving your hair time to relax. You're leaving it alone, you're not putting heat on it, and it's just chilling for a little while, letting it grow and letting all those dead parts of your hair start to, you know, just go down. But yeah, so that's just starting off. When I first started, actually I'm gonna say that for another video, so stay tuned. Advice number 2. Now, okay, let's say you're going through the process, you stop blowing drying your hair, you start flat ironing your hair, you stop perming your hair. If you guys are perming your hair, stop perming your hair, okay? And you will start to see, if you keep going, you'll start to see that growth. You'll start to see the curls coming in. Something that you can do is change what you're putting in your hair, okay? So when I mean this, I mean by shampoos, conditioners, or what are you leaving in your hair. For example, if you use shampoo, don't use it with sulfates. Sulfates is the thing that makes shampoos foam, make bubbles, and it's also the thing that dries out your hair, okay? So I recommend personally you using Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture products, you already know that you're not gonna have any sulfates, no parabens, none of that stuff, no silicone, and it actually tells you all the things that it doesn't have. It's very, very good for your hair. I really recommend it, and it's what I've always used through all of my transition. But it's a first step, using shampoo with no sulfates, okay? Another thing, don't use conditioner that has silicone. So what silicone does, I think, it actually covers your scalp, so it makes it harder for your hair to grow. It's just, it becomes itchy. It's just not a good feeling. And a lot of curly girls, if they're not well informed, they will start off just putting conditioner in their hair and walking out the door. But if you're not using the right conditioner, that could actually be doing more damage than good. Don't get me wrong, it does help that you are putting conditioner in your hair, because natural hair, you always want to have moisture. That's like the main thing, is moisture. But you have to make sure that you're using the right products, okay? So that's advice number 2. Use the right products. I recommend Shea Moisture. Advice number 3, deep condition. Deep condition is the best thing you can do for your hair, honestly. Curly hair, you know, it's very different from straight hair. If you straighten your hair, I don't know if some of you guys noticed that it tends to get greasier faster, and that's because the natural oils that we have in our hair, since it is straight, when the hair is straight, it's easier for those natural oils in our hair to go straight down and make our whole hair look very greasy. But the thing is, that doesn't really happen, at least not with me. My hair never really gets greasy or looks greasy, because of the way that a curl is constructed, the way it is. So since curls are spirals, it takes longer for that natural oil to go and wrap fully around all the curls, and then go all the way down, so you won't really see any of those natural oils going down. And that's a good thing in a sense that, oh, my hair's not looking greasy and I can wear my hair like this for weeks and I'm good. But since natural hair does need moisture, it's kind of a problem because your hair needs it and it's wanting all of its moisture. So what you can do is deep condition so that all that moisture can really lock inside of your hair. I actually have a video on how I deep condition that works wonders for me. I'll put a link for that down below if you guys have not watched it. But yeah, it's just the best thing you can do for your hair, and you will start to see results much quicker once you deep condition, because you're just hammering it with moisture, and that's one of the best things that you can do for it. Advice number 4, or something that I did, start cutting. Just start cutting. I don't mean big chop. You don't have to big chop. You can start off with an inch or whatever it may be, but just start going there in the process, because all of that dead hair, all that damaged hair acts as a weight for your natural hair, that hair that's coming in. Imagine, see if my curls, for example, imagine them having a weight, they'll look like this. So some girls, they have their hair looking like this and they don't understand why, and it could be really curly here, but once you cut it, it bounces back and it starts to curl. So the best thing you can do if you want to see results and just speed up the process, either big chop, but some people won't do that, or just start cutting snip by snip by snip. I decided to do something different, but that's for another. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna stop here because I'm not sure if this video is gonna be long, and I don't want it to be because I get distracted easily and some people get distracted easily. So I want this video to be very, very short so you guys can just get the basics. So advice number 1, stop all heat, right? Okay, awesome. Or try to. Step number 2, or advice number 2, change your products. No sulfates, no parabens. I recommend shea moisture. Advice number 3, deep condition. Find your way. There are natural ways as well. The easiest thing you can do with things at home is get 1 egg and get coconut oil, mix it, put it in your hair, leave it for 30 minutes, leave it for an hour, and take it off, and you're good. Okay, that's a deep conditioner. Or you can just buy a deep conditioner from local drugstore or whatever it may be, but make sure, look at the ingredients, because natural hair is very fragile as well. I'll get that into another video, so many videos. Okay, so that's step number 3, deep condition. Okay, and step number 4, snip. Cut that dead end, girl. Okay, just cut it off. Just cut it. Okay, just cut it. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you do, if you did, if you learned anything. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will be happy to answer any questions you guys have, or any videos you guys want to see, and I'll answer those questions in those videos. Just let me know. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have not already. Share with your friends. Come on, be nice. Okay, be nice and just share with your friends. They need to know this information as well. Okay guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, now I am done with my spiel. I think that's how you say it. I am done with this whole thing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.